The Voyage of the Beagle. In a small town in England, a young man named Charles lived. He loved nature more than his books. He liked to walk in the fields and watch the birds. One day, a big ship called the Beagle was getting ready to sail. The ship needed someone to study plants and animals on its journey. Charles was chosen for the job. The Beagle sailed across the big blue ocean. Charles saw many new and exciting things. He saw flying fish and giant turtles. The ship came to a special place called the Galapagos Islands. Charles saw many strange and wonderful birds there. He saw that some birds had long beaks to eat insects. Other birds had short, strong beaks to crack nuts. Charles thought about the birds. He had a big idea. He thought that maybe the birds changed over time to be better at finding food. He realized that animals and plants that are good at surviving have more babies. The babies are like their parents. Over a very long time, these small changes can make a new kind of animal or plant. This is called evolution. When Charles came back to England, he wrote a book about his idea. The book was called The Origin of Species. At first, some people did not like his idea, but soon, many scientists agreed with him. Charles had made a very important discovery.